Yo, how's it going everyone? It's Clarky Boy, and I guess today I'm gonna be dropping off my car for a tint. The rear windows. Ultra shine. There's the Genny. God damn, it's dirty. Well, I'm gonna be doing a window tint, just the rear windows, 20%. Let's do a 2-day cold start. Am I right? Freaking love this car. That'll do. She's dirty. Gotta love Canadian winters. My girl's gonna follow me to drop off the car, and then we're gonna go for lunch. Ain't that right?
Woo! Yeah.
The girl. Boom! God damn! God damn!
You have arrived.
Alright, we just got here. Oh, I forgot my phone. Ah, Ultra Shine. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, focus. Yeah, so I just talked to the guys and he said it'd be an hour. Let's check out their rides first. Ooh, FRS or VRZ. I'm sorry. Don't freak out. Them Ultra Shine, SK tuner, nice some Beamers. And we're going for lunch. We gotta take good care of you, bro. You ready, Vivi? Wee. Where are we going? Getting lunch? Yeah, just for an hour or so. Neat.
Take the next left onto Miller Avenue.
Yeah, we heard you.
I wrote the script.
Did you write the script? Wow, you're so. What is this? Balalalalala. Just book it, book it, book it.
Continue on Miller Avenue.
Shut the
for 4
front!
kilometers.
Let's see that supercharger work, babe. Wow!
No traction.
No traction. Whoa, it's brighter than my freaking future.
Right.
All right, we'll see you guys when we get lunch.
Yeah.
So the place we wanted to eat out, it's super busy. It's filled with all them peoples.
Yeah, all the people. It's like it's a hot spot for like Sunday brunch. So
Oh yeah, and that's what we wanted to do.
we wanted
Except it's
Sunday
like
brunch.
one.
Except it's like 110.
It's 120. Okay, where are we going then? We're gonna go to
Boston Pizza's busy.
Boston the Pizza. I'll see you later. Made it. Original Joe. Babe, should we just go to Original Joe's?
Who's Joe?
Joe Mug. There's probably people there. Oh my god. What are you getting?
I don't know. I just opened the menu.
I'm gonna get all of it. Can I get all of it?
It's expensive.
You're expensive.
You're expensive.
Ooh, look at that. Bro. Do you want this, babe?
No,
Why not?
I don't want
Look at my lasagna, bruh. Bruh. Food vlog. Food vlog. Alright, we are on our way back to Ultrashine, and there's a little Celica following us. Hello! I don't know if you can see that very well, but we'll see you there!
Perfect.
So yeah, I'm just heading home now from Ultrashine. Oh my god, they did such a good job. I recommend going to them for anything, for like dent repairs, tint, friggin', what else did it? Oh yeah, exterior, interior details, all of that good shit. Hit him up. So that's gonna be it for me. It's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more. Leave a like, comment. Just a little poll there to end it. Freaking yeah, leave a comment on what you want to see next or what you want done to the car. I have plans for this car, so keep an eye out. Subscribe for sure. Peace out, guys.
Perfect.